Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam mirror crystal bookends. And so what you're going to need some of these crystal teardrop pendants. These are from Efavormart. You'll also need some of this glitter foam paper from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You are also going to need some Bling Wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 1 pack of these Tealight, glass Tealights. They come in a set of 2. And you're going to need 4 of these square mirrors. And you're going to need a large piece of foam board from Dollar Tree. Now this I've already gone ahead and cut it to the size of the mirror. So it's just something as simple as laying it down on top of the foam board and then just trimming around it with a knife. And you will need 8 pieces of this foam board cut into these squares. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make the components permanent. Or if you're going to be using them for an extended period of time, you might want to use a permanent bond. But these are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam mirror crystal bookends turn out absolutely beautifully? And you can go as simple or as elaborate as you like with these. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.